Good morning, students. Now, today I will explain you about how to move the layers between documents. So, you have seen that sometimes it is very important and it is very needed to move one layer from one document to another document. So, as you are looking here, that in this picture, I have only one layer, that is a background, and then I have opened the two files so that I can move this one layer into the another. So in the second picture also I will show you that the layer is only one background. Okay, now what I can do, I will just change the name of the layer of previous file. Suppose this. So how we can change, we can double click on it. Dialog box will appear. Here its name is given as layer 0. So I will click on OK button with the name layer 0. So our name is changed. You can see I'm just zooming in so that you can easily see that it is layer 0 in place of background. Now what we have to do, student, for copying it or for moving it, what we can do, first of all we have to go into the select menu. This is our select menu, and inside the select menu we have an option that is all. In the select we have a first option that is known as all, and that by the help of that you will see a border will appear around your layer. So this border will show you that your all pixels of this layer is selected properly. And now what you have to do, you have to just because you have to move, so you have to go into the edit and then copy. Okay, so what you have done, you have uh, chosen edit menu, and you have selected a copy option from there. And when we will select a copy option, then after copying we have to move to the destination layer or in the destination file, and this image should be active where we want to place our this layer. Again go into the edit mode and choose paste option. So by the help of that you will see that layer 1 is added here, as it was only background, but now it's one more layer is showing to you. So that means our picture is our layer is inserted here. Now with the help of the move tool I can place this picture anywhere on our screen, so that we can do by the help of this move tool. I can place my picture on my screen, and then you will see that your layer is pasted and your layer is moved from one document to another document. So this is the one way how you can move your layers between the documents. Next topic is, students, if I want to create a duplicate layer, so how we can create a duplicate layer. Here I will deselect it. First of all we are going here, and you have to suppose create a duplicate layer for the layer 0. So how we can create a duplicate layer? So for creating a duplicate layer we can go directly in the layer tab, layer menu, and here we have an option that is known as duplicate layer. I will show you. I will enlarge the options, and this is the option. And under the layer menu we have option that is duplicate layer, and when we select this duplicate layer you will see a duplicate layer is showing to you that dialog box is appeared where it is showing duplicate layer 0 as layer 0 copy. It is the name of the layer, and the destination it is asking. So what you can do, you can choose from here the selected one, the already opened file, or you have to move this file to a new file. That also you can choose. So I want to, first of all, I am just changing the name of the layer as layer 1, and from this destination documents I will select new. Okay, and the name I want to give as duck, DUCK. So that I have selected here and clicking on OK. Now see, the layer 1, the name we have given as layer 1, it is showing here, but our file name is coming as duck. You will see that I have written the duck as the file name. So this is another way of copying a layer from document, from one document to another document, or to create a new document with the help of moving or making a layer duplicate, student. Thank you, student.